back to my channel, dolls. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple eyeshadow beginner friendly that I have created here for you. This is part of my beginner friendly series, so I hope you guys watch the rest of that. I'm trying to do loads of video for you guys to catch up on. I will put the playlist over here so you can watch on whatever you've missed on. So yeah, today we're going to be doing all things eyeshadow. So without wasting time, make sure that you're subscribed, turn on the notification button if you haven't, and sit back and let's get started with the video. So guys, to start off this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using my Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette, and this is the choice of palette that I will be using today. Before I start applying any eyeshadows to my eyelid, I like to prep my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. The reason why you want to do this step is because it's going to make your eyeshadows stand out more, and it's going to make them look more vibrant and very sharp and defined. So this is such an important step to do. I just apply with the concealer, blend it out with a beauty blender, and literally that's all you just do. Spread that all around the eyelid and just set that up with some powder, your preferred powder. I use the banana powder from Makeup Revolution with a fluffy brush. And then to start off this tutorial, you are going to go in with a transition color. A transition color helps to basically bring out the other eyeshadows that you're going to apply. It's like a base for your eyeshadow. It gives it a gradient effect and just makes your eyeshadows look less harsher, but really nice and last longer. So I normally go in with like a chocolate brown or a light brown that is closer enough to my skin tone, because it just gives me the emphasis and dimension that I really want to be going for. So guys, the next step is applying our main eyelid color, and for the eyelid color we're going to be going in with this shade called Darlings from the same palette, and we're using a flat brush and just packing that on. You can obviously use your own preference in terms of the eyeshadow, but for the purpose of this video, because I'm showing you guys how to apply eyeshadows, I thought let me go for something neutral, because it's kind of easy for you to get why we're using this, and it's much more easier as well for you to learn how to do it this way and then adjust to something more colorful or something of your own preference. So that's what we're doing. We're just packing on the product. You don't blend it out at this point in time, you're just packing it on, and literally that's all you do. You place it, pack it on, and then I'm doing the same thing for the next eye. Then guys, last but not least, to define our eye a bit more, to add a bit more smokiness, a bit more definition, we're going in with this shade here called Jet Setter. It's like a deep brown that has got a smoky edge to it, and all we're going to be just doing is applying that on the corner and outer part of the eye, and really taking our time to blend it in. With eyeshadows, you just want to blend them in, apply a little as possible, and also when holding the eyeshadow blending brush, you want to hold it at a slight angle, so don't hold it too close to where the tip of the brush is. You want to just hold it just a little bit at an angle, at a slight angle like I'm doing here, and that's the best way to have control in terms of the eyeshadow and how it's going to obviously like apply to your eye. So that's what you want to do. Take your time. And also guys, if you are worried of having fallouts during doing your eyeshadow, you can also apply a little bit of powder just underneath the eye, and this is a trick to help to catch any kind of fallouts that may happen on the eye or any mess that may fall out. So this just helps to catch everything and make it a really nice, precise and nice clean application for yourself, especially if you're doing this very new. We are going to move on to dusting the rest of our face off. That powder that we had underneath our eyes, we're going to dust that off with a blending powder brush to make sure everything looks nice and crisp. Then last but not least, we're going to move on to the lower lash area. I applied my lashes and eyeliner off camera, but we're going to do this step because I just feel like it makes your eyeshadows look more uniform. So we're going to apply the same transition color that we applied, brown sugar. Then we're going to go in with jet setter and we're going to apply it with an angled brush and add more definition to the eye and just finish it up. And then literally guys, that is it in terms of how to do your eyeshadows, beginner friendly. I hope you guys found it super easy. These steps are super easy for me, and if I can do it, definitely you can. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that comment, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls. Mwah.